Hi everybody, Dave the Rave roving the rock here. Guess where I managed to get to? The bottom of the waterfall at Black Caves. I'm having to speak quite loudly because I'm not sure you'll even hear me with the amount of water that's flying about here. This camera's not on zoom at all. This is just on camera. You know how it makes things look small. This is the small view. I'm pointing it at the bottom. This is the bottom half of it. I'm right down at the very foot. So we can only see the bit that I couldn't see before in the last video I put on a few minutes ago. I'll show you what we've got. Now standing. Have you ever seen this waterfall before, like this? At Black Caves? I haven't. It wasn't easy to get here. I had to get through a lot of brambles. This is the plus side of having to go through all that boggy path to get here. A waterfall in spate and I've made it to the bottom. Absolutely fantastic. That is stunning. There's the river there. I had to cross over that actually. And I had to get through that. These trees that were hiding the waterfall. It was behind all this. And I got in front of it. Absolutely brilliant. I've never been here. I don't suppose you've ever been here. It's very unlikely. Or seen this. I'm taking this in because I probably won't be here again. It was very hard to get to. And there's so much water in it. And remember, this is just the bottom half. There's more above that. I'm going to try and get a view of that in a minute from higher up. If I don't manage, I don't, but I will try. But at least we've got this. This is the bottom half that I couldn't see from the cave. This was all hidden from view. Fantastic. Okay, I'll get off. I'll see if I can get another view. If I don't, then at least we've got this. Cheers, Dave the Rave. Over and out.